My video guide will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the unwanted browser extension called Baro DS. Baro DS is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The problem with this extension is that it is spread through fake browser update alerts. Some fake alerts like that may display misleading information mentioning that Flash SD app is required to proceed. In reality, it is a mistake to download any of such fake updates because this leads to the installation of browser hijackers like Baro DS. Just for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to install this extension in order to let you know how to get rid of it after it got mistakenly installed. So it actually changes the default search engine of your browser to some unwanted, unfamiliar Baro search. And when you start submitting some search queries, you get the results redirected by Baro search and then eventually delivered by some other search engine that has not been chosen by you initially. So please be very careful. If this extension was installed, you should get rid of it. This is how you can do it. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. Now you need to disable and remove any third-party extensions, including this Baro DS. Finally, I recommend investigating your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then begin researching your system to identify and remove other infections from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.